Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create Payoneer account. If you're new to Payoneer, Payoneer is a global online payment platform that allows you and I to receive payment overseas. Alright, so if you're someone that is struggling to receive payment or to start a business, maybe you saw a business that you love and you want to start up this business, and this business is in the US and you don't even have a means of receiving payment, from this company. Alright, so you can actually create a Payoneer account, right? Payoneer, when you create Payoneer account, Payoneer generates a US bank details for you that you can actually use to receive this payment from US, and you can link your Nigeria. If you live in Nigeria, you can actually link your Nigerian bank account to your Payoneer account, all right, and withdraw this money from your Payoneer account directly to your bank account. It's just as simple as that. All right, it makes it so easy for you to work with companies outside the country where you reside. All right, because they generate US bank details for you, UK bank details for you, Australian bank details for you, even European bank details for you. All right, so it makes it so easy for you to actually work and partner with companies all over the world. You can receive money globally with Payoneer. Payoneer is different from PayPal. PayPal does not generate bank details for you, but Payoneer generates bank details for you. So that is basically the difference. Okay, if you're someone that is struggling to receive payment outside the country where you reside, or you're finding it difficult to partner with companies outside the country because you don't even have a means of receiving payment, all right, so I encourage you to stick around, watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to create your Payoneer account and start receiving payment from these companies and withdraw your money directly to your bank account. Without further ado, let me take you to my screen and show you how you can actually create this Payoneer account, right? But before that, if you're new to my channel, my name is Chinewa Violet. On this channel, I share different ways on how to make money online. So if you are that person that is looking for a way to make money online and you don't even know where to start from, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel and smash that bell beside it so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the #1 person YouTube will notify. And give this video a massive thumbs up, okay? It helps me a whole lot. It motivates me to actually create more content for you guys. So guys, to create your Payoneer account, I will encourage you to use that first link in the description box. It will take you to this interface where you'll be asked to sign up and earn $25. All right, so when you sign up, you're going to earn $25. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on sign up. And it's going to ask me, let's find the right account for your needs. So select the option that describes you the best. So I'm just going to go with freelancer here and then click on register. So it's asking me to select your type of business, individual or company. So I'm just going to go with individual and then put in my details, name, and then last name, and then email address, and then date of birth. This code, there's a code there, so they ask you to enter the code. And click on next. And click on next. So now they'll ask you to fill up. Yeah, they ask to fill up your contact details. So I'm going to select Nigeria. This is the country, Nigeria. And then the streets. And then the city. And zip code. If you don't know your zip code, you can actually go to Google and search for zip code. So I'm just going to come to Google here and search for zip code. I can just select one of this, 4500101. 4500101. 4500101. Okay, and then the phone number. Okay, now they're going to send a code to this phone number. So I'll click on send code. Okay, guys, I'm just going to put in the number that is sent to my phone. No, to my phone 644. And I'm going to click on next. Then I'm just going to enter a password. I'm going to put in my identity, national ID, which is NIN if you live in Nigeria. All right, so now we're going to enter this code. AE2BA. All right, and click on next. So we are almost done. So we are going to put in our bank details here. All right, so we're just going to agree to the terms and condition and then click on submit. So guys, that's actually how you create the Payoneer account. All right, so thank you all for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.